Oh, I'm okay. Here's Rachel's second night in solid foods. Rachel, are you ready? Yeah. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. You can't grab the spoon. That's not how it works. Here. You ready? You ready? Open your mouth. Open your mouth. There you go. Good girl. Good girl. Open your mouth, Rachel. There you go. Oh, much better. Yeah. Rachel, can you see the camera? Rachel, can you see the camera? Oh, that one came right back out, huh? Keep your hand out of the way. Keep your hand out of the way. That's a good one. Yeah. That was a good one. Good girl. Rachel, look over here. Oh. No, you want to do it yourself, huh? You want to grab the spoon? You want to feed yourself? Oh, you are. Okay, you want to feed yourself? Oh, you are. She's feeding herself with the spoon. Good job. Good job. You want some more? Okay, here's some more. You got this figured out, don't you? Okay, here's the spoon. Good girl. You want some more? You want some more? All right. Can you feed yourself again? Here's the spoon.